Okay guys, making a video. Maybe we'll walk across the street slowly with all of this. So what the problem is it's not any of the thermostats issues. You can see real plainly zone 1, 2, and 3. And then over here we have the entire layout. Upstairs offices. Hold on a sec. We got the upstairs offices there and there. They're all on zone 1 from the 1C1, zone 1. Then on the lower level, we have the carpet, the dog lady, the office, I don't know what they do, and then the other section of the carpet, and then the common area, all with the corresponding zone of 1, 1, 1, and 1. Then we have zone 2. Zone 2 is the miscellaneous places on the left. The miscellaneous ones on the right, it's also Mike's office, Bob, and then our child care room and our office right there. And that's all for zone 2. Then we go to zone 3 right here, which is the awesome gym. That's zone 3. That's all we use is zone 3. So looking as a whole, you can see exactly how it's laid out. So the thermostat I put in, which is right here, covers zone 1, which is the number 1 next to everything. Now, zone 1 is working fine. Everything is comfortable in the common area. The problem with the dog lady is that the space is small. She has 4 to 6 dogs in there at a time and 2 people, so it's always hot. She has 2 vents coming in, so when I looked at the ceiling, there's a lot of breaks in the vents, so someone needs to go in there and make it more of a streamline to her and maybe add an additional vent if you want her complaints to stop, because everything is working in all of these zones. Except this one, it's always constantly hot because there's 4 to 6 dogs, 2 humans, and a small space. Okay? So again, you can fix the blockage on those spaces and then also maybe add another stem from the central unit into her office, and then that'll be all fixed. Now zone 2, which I laid out here, zone 2, the miscellaneous on the left, zone 2 miscellaneous on the right, also Bob, our kids room and our office is zone 2, and zone 2 is, how do they say it, broken. It doesn't work at all. You can put the thermostat down or up, nothing happens. If I back up here, that is zone 2 right there. It is broken. It doesn't work. That is the thermostat for zone 2. I can set that as low as I want, but nothing happens because zone 2 is broken. While we're here, that is zone 3, and that works fine. Going back to the map, or the diagram that I made, this fancy illustration so everyone can understand it, you can see what's going on in the place. Zone 3 is the awesome gym. Zone 1, everything is working perfectly fine, except for the dog lady needs more vents. It's hot in there all the time. Right now, I measured the room at 68 degrees, the common area at 68 degrees, and her room at 74 degrees with this, which is very accurate. So you can see, I can go point ours, which we keep a little warmer. If you can see that, 74.5, which we're fine with. Oh look, there's Mike and Bob talking. Bob has no heat and no AC at all because he is in zone number 2, which is that unit, and it's broken. So that's it. Hope that helps you guys understand your building.